guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Mackenzie and I go by Mac, and I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week of my dog Jack. And this is Jack. He is such a great helper in all of my videos. He acts like he doesn't like to be in my videos, but he loves it. So he will be in bits and pieces of every single video that I make. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this towel wrap, and you can use it to go to the beach, to the swimming pool, when you get out of the shower. So it's a really great item to have. This was my first one I've ever made, and I was actually really happy with how it turned out. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did, and it's really easy to make. So it took me about maybe like 30 minutes to make this. So you won't need a lot of materials. I got the towel from Five Below. You can get your towel wherever you want, but it was only $5. So, you know, it's a really good towel, and I'm going to show you guys the wrap. So basically it just wraps around. It's just elastic at the top and Velcro right here. So it just goes around. And we are starting right now. For this tutorial, you will need a towel, and I got this one from Five Below, so it was only $5. You will need fabric scissors, Velcro for the closure at the top, elastic, sewing pins, and of course a sewing machine unless you do it by hand. The first thing you're going to do is measure the elastic around the top of your chest. Now you're just going to make sure that your towel is long ways. And you're going to go ahead and put your elastic on the inside of the towel. So fold it over once and just pin it. Make sure that you have enough so that way you can stitch it.
Jack, you are the biggest help.
Now you'll just sew where you pinned it. Now take your elastic and get a safety pin and put it on the end, and then what you'll do is just put it through the top of the towel, and you'll just put it all the way through until the very end. What you're going to do is take the elastic at the end, and you're just going to sew over it and make sure that you tuck your elastic in all the way. And make sure you backstitch it so that way it will stay in place. Do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now Jack is going to help us with this part, and what we're going to do now is take our Velcro and we're going to cut out two separate pieces, one the sticky side and the soft side. So you'll just take one piece and cut it however long you want, and then just make sure you cut them the same length. Now what we're going to do is just sew the Velcro on. But before you sew it on, make sure that it all lines up and that it closes correctly. So just make sure that you have the Velcro where it needs to be placed. And your towel wrap is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and comment. Thank you.